How to cancel LinkedIn premium subscription. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can cancel premium subscription on LinkedIn. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to linkedin.com, make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Navigate to the menu bar at the top, click on your profile. From this pop-up, just below your account, there you'll find an option for your features for premium subscriptions. Click on it. So that's gonna take you to a different page where you can find your subscription if you have bought any subscriptions on LinkedIn. So you have to select the subscription that you want to delete. Next to that subscription, you will find an option as manage subscription. Click on that button. Now, you will see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on cancel subscriptions, then follow the on-screen instructions where you may be asked to provide the reason why you want to cancel the subscription. So provide your valid reason, follow the on-screen instruction carefully. If prompted, verify your identity as well. Now, once you have successfully canceled your subscription, you will also receive an email for the cancellation confirmation. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.